Welcome to this presentation on anomaly detection in logs. We will explore how logs can be analyzed to detect unusual patterns and how AI or ML can make this process smarter and more efficient. Logs are like the black box of a system. They record everything. But anomalies in logs often indicate potential issues, whether it's a failure, a security breach, or a performance bottleneck. Monitoring them manually is not scalable, so automation through algorithms is essential. There are multiple approaches for anomaly detection. Rule-based methods are simple but rigid. Statistical methods use mathematical thresholds. The most advanced are machine learning models, including deep learning techniques like LSTMs and autoencoders, which can learn complex patterns in log data. Anomaly detection has wide applications. In security, it helps detect intrusions and suspicious activity. For operations, it can predict failures before downtime occurs. In performance monitoring, it identifies issues like latency spikes or excessive resource usage that may affect users. The benefits of anomaly detection are significant: early detection, reduced downtime, and improved security. However, challenges remain. Logs are massive in scale, noisy in nature, and often require real-time analysis. These challenges need to be addressed for effective anomaly detection. Thank you so much for watching this video.